of sages, known for bravery for ages. None can with it compete, its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all live here in unison. With rivers, sweet fountains, its land of high mountains. Its green forests are pretty and are source of prosperity. Let's work for it hard, for its safety be on guard. Today, we celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our nation. On this day, I wish to tell you a few facts about this special occasion. Though our country got its independence on 15th August 1947, it took some time, 2.5 years to be precise, for our constitution to come into effect. Republic Day reminds us of the sacred values enshrined in the Constitution of India. It is a day of national pride. Display of grand military on the Republic Day parade reminds us that the security of our territorial sovereignty is the outcome of many sacrifices. The struggle of freedom was based on some high principles and ideas such as non-violence, cooperation, non-discrimination, etc. For this reason, Republic Day is celebrated by all the Indians with great zeal. January 26 was selected as the date of commencement of the Indian Constitution because of its historical significance. It was on this date that Indian people observed Independence Day following the resolution of Congress session held at Lahore in 1929. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It is the longest written constitution of any country. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, chairman of the drafting committee, is widely considered to be its chief architect. The Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, assuring its citizens justice, equality, and liberty, and endeavors to promote fraternity. Lastly, I would conclude by saying, कई शूरवीरों ने है अपना खून बहाया, तब जाकर अपना संविधान, अपना गणतंत्र हमने पाया, तब जाकर अपना संविधान, अपना गणतंत्र हमने पाया। जय हिंद।
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी
सहारा बनूंगा, दुनिया की आंखों का तारा बनूंगा, रखूंगा ऊंचा तिरंगा परचम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम, दाहिने बाएं थम, नन्ना मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग, जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।
Let's honor our military, the men and women who serve, whose dedication to our country does not falter, halt, or swerve. Let's respect them for their courage. They are ready to do what's right, to keep India safe, so that we can sleep better at night. Here's to those who choose to be warriors and their helpers good and true. They are fighting for Indian values. They are fighting for me and for you. When the Republic of India came into being, while the responsibility of safeguarding the constitutional character of the nation fell upon the people and their elected representatives, the onerous responsibility of protecting the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the country from external as well as internal threats fell upon the Indian armed forces. And we can say beyond doubt that the armed forces have lived up to the trust posed upon them. The Indian soldier is an epitome of all that is the best in the country, as visible by his demonstrated qualities of courage, self-sacrifice, integrity, strength of character, and commitment. It is therefore the bounden duty of the nation to ensure that the blood spilled by the soldier, as also his contribution to the national cause, is given due acknowledgement. Display of the grand military on the Republic Day parade reminds us that the security of our territorial sovereignty is the outcome of many sacrifices at the line of duty. Thus, when we celebrate India's 72nd Republic Day, let us not forget to remember all the brave hearts, our Jawans, and all the martyrs who have sacrificed their lives for our well-being. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.